So what are we doing today?
Well, don't run up on me like that. We're gonna go ride the Grapevine train. We've been trying to do that since we moved here.
For a long time. And today is the day.
Train riders.
All right, guys, so we had to stop for necessities here in Grapevine. Before we stopped, what did you get? A car charger, and I needed some wipes because my glasses are dirty. Anyway, now it's time to head to the train. We're getting ready to see downtown Grapevine, jump on the train, have some fun for the day. So guys, this little memorial area right here is a tribute to all of the soldiers that went off to war. They would hop on the plane, on a train right here in Grapevine. A lot of them would leave from Grapevine. And you can see they had soldiers leaving from Grapevine to the Persian, Vietnam War, Korean War, and World War II from right here in Grapevine, Texas. So what a great commemoration to the Cotton Belt section of train tracks from Grapevine to Fort Worth is where we're riding to today. Before we hopped the train, we decided to check out the beautiful Hotel Vin next door. This place is amazing. You can tell it's high end and high quality. There's live music, an outdoor garden where they play the music. There's an indoor venue where you can rent. There's a cafe style open market area on one end. I mean, it's just a beautiful place to visit with lots of great artwork and murals outside and everything. This spot is happening. We decided to explore around outside a little bit more just to see this outdoor water feature that serves as a splash pad as well in the summertime to beat the heat, and a beautiful tribute to the treaty between the Native Americans and some of the first settlers to this Grapevine area. And we also got a chance to check out the outdoor Vin area where they do the live music before we hop the train. Exploding kids game. There are other tables playing Uno. Apparently there's going to be some sort of Western shootout show happening. She might be a part of it because she's a bit of a cowgirl herself. But it's really cool so far. It's really cool. So I can't wait till we get to
The cow train. He punched a star in our ticket. Yay, we're on the way. Let the journey begin. We are moving.
Nice to see you. All right. Listen, I have good news for y'all. I'm not robbing y'all. Okay, y'all can keep your money.
So here in Stockyards, we rode the train all the way from Grapevine to Fort Worth, Stockyards, and we stopped for a bite to eat some vittles while we hit the long trail. So we stopped at, what's the name of this place? Trail Boss Burgers. So we're gonna see. Of course, you come to a burger place and we ordered Philly cheesesteak and some other stuff. But so far it looks cool. It's pretty tight in here, but we'll take you back out on the walk so you can see some of the stuff that's out there in the Stockyard station. Guys, it's been several years since we hung out in Fort Worth Stockyards, and I'm telling you, the development that's happened here is amazing. There's so much more to see and do, so many more restaurants, entertainment venues, and shopping areas. So there are way more people walking around, which is great. And now they've created this walkway with the new development. They've created this walkway back here that gives us access to part of the Trinity River. I think there's a little waterfall down here, people fishing. It's amazing. So I'm excited about being down. After we arrived at Stockyard Station, we decided to visit some of the shops there on the strip and walk around and visit some more of the hotels. We also popped into Trail Boss Burgers for lunch. It was delicious. I highly recommend the Philly cheesesteak. Also, watching the bulls come down the road was really awesome as well. If you get a chance to visit Stockyard Station, it's a must see. On the way to Fort Worth, there was a potential train robber, right? And we had to draw a picture to help the sheriff figure out who the train robber was. So I drew my picture and I didn't get a shot of it, so I can show you the picture. So that was one cool thing on the way. Now they're doing this, Morse code. So this is Morse code to figure out another tip to the agents, and they show us what the Morse code is, and we figured it out. So we actually we're gonna help the agents solve the crime on this train before we get home.
We caught him, everybody.
All right, we got him. So guys, that was a really fun day, really amazing ride. Who better to hop on a train with and ride through multiple cities? The scenery is beautiful, lots of beautiful neighborhoods, passes over the river, things like that. I mean, it was really cool, a lot of nature you can see. And then of course, the Stockyards over in Fort Worth was amazing, a lot of fun time over there, guys. If you're in Grapevine or have time in the DFW area, you definitely want to ride the Vintage Railroad, that's for sure. That's gonna bring this video to a close. Goodbye, see you on the next video.